Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll walk you through how to securely transfer your cryptocurrency from Binance to your Ledger Nano S or X step by step. Start by logging into Binance and navigating to Shoe, Wallet, Fiat, and Spot. Here, you'll see all your assets. For this example, let's withdraw Polkadot. Click Withdraw, and you'll be asked to provide the wallet address. Open Ledger Live on your computer. Go to your Polkadot account or create one if you don't have it yet. Click Receive, then connect and unlock your Ledger device. Open the Polkadot app on the device to generate your receiving address. Verify that the address displayed in Ledger Live matches the one on your Ledger device. Once confirmed, click Copy to copy the address, approve it on your Ledger, and paste it into Binance. Now, select the Polkadot network. Always ensure the network matches your cryptocurrency to avoid losing funds. For safety, send a small test transfer first. If it's successful, proceed with the full amount. Double-check all details, then click Withdraw. Complete the security verification, and your transaction will process. Most transfers arrive in minutes, but timing depends on the network. Check your Ledger Live app to confirm the funds. That's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. See you in the next tutorial. Let me know if you'd like more tweaks.